Hey there friends, thanks for checking in. In February, Dick's Sporting Goods decided to pull all of their sporting rifles off of their shelves of the Field and Stream stores. 5 or 6 years ago, they pulled all of their sporting rifles off the shelves of Dick's Sporting Goods stores. They could do that. That was not enough. They decided to remove 30-round magazines and bump stocks and made it store policy not to sell a firearm to anyone under 21 years old. They can run their store how they see fit. But I do have a problem with the CEO, Edward Stack, saying that I am for the Second Amendment, but I don't think people should own sporting rifles. And that's what we're hearing. Anytime you hear somebody say, I am for the Second Amendment, and then follow up with a, but I don't think people should own this or own that, they're not for the Second Amendment. And that is what we are seeing from Dick's. That was not enough. The CEO, Ed Stack, decided to go to Washington and politic against our rights for gun control, for the removal of sporting rifles. Okay, so right there it tells us that he is a traitor. And that in and of itself was not enough. It was recently revealed that Dick's hired 3 lobbyists to go to Washington to lobby for gun control. I have to believe that they will be lobbying against sporting rifles, stripping away our rights in any way or any fashion they can, even if they hire people to do it. Now, they claim they are pro-2A. They're on record. The CEO, Ed Stack, is on record, a multi-billionaire, by the way. I have to believe that his home is protected with people who are armed. Whatever, I don't care, it doesn't matter, but he has said, we here at Dick's Sporting Goods are for the Second Amendment. I don't see how they can make that claim. They hired 3 lobbyists to go to Washington to fight against our rights and for gun control, but yet you're for the Second Amendment. This is Dick's Sporting Goods. This is who they are. This is the direction they are going, meanwhile claiming to be under the umbrella of pro-2A. Now, you're probably wondering, what's your source for this? Like, is this fake news? Is this real? My source is a website called The Federalist. I am very familiar with this. Matter of fact, the founder of The Federalist, Sean Davis, a professional journalist, contacted me after the Washington Post misrepresented one of my videos and the rifle that I was using in that video. He contacted me and wanted to make a retraction article or a disputed article against the Washington Post and the lies that the author there was claiming about my video. He wanted the truth. He wanted facts. He wanted information and quotes from me to use in his article. He's a professional journalist. He knows what he's doing. I'm going to link the article down below. You can check it out for yourself. You will see that Dick's Sporting Goods are not pro-2A. They are traitors, they are turncoats, and they are fighting against our rights to a point where they are hiring lobbyists to go to Washington to fight against sporting rifles, or at least a form of gun control that is not on our side. They are the enemy. I will never spend another dime there ever, and I will do everything in my power to bring out information of the very turncoats that Dick's Sporting Goods are. I cannot stand them, and I will continue to report every time they try to strip away our rights while still claiming that they are pro-2A. If you like videos like this, please subscribe and share. I always appreciate the thumbs up button. Thanks for watching, and you guys be safe.